Welcome to this tutorial on designing a modern dashboard user interface using Figma. In this session, you will learn how to navigate Figma's website, sign in with your Google account, access your project workspace, and use the AI plugin to generate a modern login form. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and entering Figma's website address. Once the site loads, locate the login option situated at the top right corner of the page and click on it to start the sign-in process. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several sign-in options. Choose the option to continue with Google. This method leverages your existing Google account for a smooth and secure access to Figma's features. When you select this option, a prompt appears asking you to pick the specific Google account you wish to use. Simply choose the appropriate account and Figma will authenticate your credentials. Once you have successfully signed in, your next move is to navigate to your project. This step involves clicking on a link that directs you to your project workspace within Figma. In your project area, you will find various design elements and an editor screen where you work on your designs. Take a moment to ensure your workspace is ready for editing before you proceed to the next step. With your project open, move your cursor to the editor area and perform a right click. This action is essential because it brings up a contextual menu that includes additional tools and utilities, such as plugins. From the available options, select Plugin to reveal the list of installed and accessible plugins available within Figma. This list contains several utilities that can help streamline your design process. From the Plugins menu, identify the AI Design Assistant tool known as AI Design Gen and click on it to launch the plugin. After the plugin opens, you will notice a tab labeled AI Design within its interface. Click on this tab to switch over to the design generation mode. In this mode, you are provided with an input area where you can type in your specific design request details. For this tutorial, your request will be for a login form. Carefully type your description into the input field, ensuring that it clearly articulates your design requirements for the login form. The description should capture the aesthetic of a modern dashboard interface, along with any particular details that are important to you. Once you have entered your design request, the AI plugin will process your input and begin generating the design automatically. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the AI to complete the design process. The tool will use its built-in algorithms to construct a visually appealing login form that aligns with your project's style and specifications. While the AI works on your request, make sure your internet connection remains stable and your screen stays active. Once the process is complete, you will see a fully rendered login form integrated into your dashboard project. This tutorial demonstrates how Figma's robust tools and AI plugins can significantly streamline the design process, allowing you to create modern user interfaces quickly and efficiently. Enjoy exploring the capabilities of Figma and the creative potential of AI Design Gen as you refine your modern dashboard UI design.